Don't panic about your Crypto.com 1099 DAs. If you've opened yours and the numbers looked way higher than expected, that doesn't automatically mean you owe more tax. Let's cover what's really going on. Firstly, yes, Crypto.com is issuing 1099 forms. Depending on your activity, you may receive a 1099 DA for disposals or a 1099 miscellaneous for things like staking rewards over $600. The 1099 miscellaneous is usually straightforward. The 1099 DA is where the confusion starts. Your 1099 DA includes your personal details, your digital asset name, quantity, dates, and proceeds. But here's the key. For 2025 transactions, exchanges are not required to report cost basis to the IRS. So in many cases, your 1099 DA is reporting gross proceeds, not your actual capital gain or loss. That's why gains can look massively inflated. We need to understand the difference between covered and non-covered assets. Covered assets are crypto you acquire and hold entirely on Crypto.com and later sell there. Starting with 2026 transactions, your exchange will be required to report both proceeds and cost basis for those assets. Non-covered assets include crypto acquired before January 1st, 2026, or any crypto transferred into your exchange from another exchange or external wallet. For those assets, your exchange is not required to report cost basis. The form may show proceeds, but the cost basis field may be blank or say non-covered. That doesn't mean your cost basis is zero. It means the exchange isn't reporting it. This is why you do not need to amend your 1099 DA just to add cost basis for your 2025 return. Crypto.com will not report cost basis to the IRS for 2025 transactions, even if you try to update it inside your account. So here's what you should do. First, download your form. You can find your 1099 DA in your taxes or history section of your account. Once you have it, don't blindly copy the numbers into your tax return. Instead, use your full transaction history. This is where Koinly comes in. Import your complete Crypto.com transaction history into Koinly using the API or CSVs. Connect any other exchanges or wallets you use. Upload your 1099 DA directly into Koinly's tax report section. Koinly will reconcile the 1099 DA against your full history, calculate your actual cost basis across wallets, and generate accurate reports. From there, you can generate Form 8949 and Schedule D, marking whether transactions were reported on the 1099 DA and whether cost basis was included. You don't need to panic or rush to amend your 1099 DA forms from your exchange. You just need accurate cost basis calculations from your full crypto history. Reconcile your data, generate your reports, and file as usual. I've linked the written guide down below if you need further assistance. If you need more assistance, I've listed a bunch of different resources down below. Good luck with your April deadline, and I'll see you in the next video.